The TPC San Antonio, located in San Antonio, Texas, is one venue you will not want to miss. Besides being a PGA Tour course where the Valero Texas Open is played every year, this facility is simply amazing. It's a Texas-sized resort that delivers everything the Texas Hill Country promises and more. From a 1,002-room JW Marriott resort, the largest JW Marriott in the world, to 2 world-class championship golf courses designed by World Golf Hall of Fame members Pete Dye and Greg Norman, the new home of the Valero Texas Open represents the best of what San Antonio's incredible hill country has to offer. Regardless of the time of year, you'll want to make sure to bring the entire family. With something to do for everyone, and pools in the lazy river that are heated to a comfortable 82 degrees year-round, you won't want to miss this event. And don't forget, being a PGA Tour venue, it will give you a chance to walk the fairways and play the same courses that guys like Adam Scott, the 2010 Valero Texas Open champion, Ernie Els, Zach Johnson, and Texas native Justin Leonard play each and every year. If you're serious about playing college golf, play the TJGT, play with the best.